Hey guys, Jen here. Welcome back to my channel. This week I want to bring you guys with me while I do a declutter marathon video. I am very excited. Let's get into it. I am going to start with clothing because I always feel like that's the easiest place to start. And in this season, the best way for me to do that is I go through clothes coming out of the dryer. So I just went through my toddler's already pre-sorted clean bin there, and I'm going to go through my daughter's pre-sorted clean bin, and it just makes it very simple for me to go child by child and think about their stuff. And when I go put things away in their drawer, that's another opportunity for me to go, oh, what's in here that they didn't wear, that they aren't wearing? And it's an easy way for me to stay on top of it. And then I'm going through my clothes. You can see I already have a big pile there to get rid of, and I eliminated a few more things. And I'm just gonna clean my drawers, you know, and like get everything neatly put away so that I feel calm and peaceful. I'm gonna put the kids' laundry away and move all my declutter stuff over here so you guys can clearly see the pile grow as we go through the video. And then I'm gonna keep going on these drawers. I'm gonna let go of this one scarf and then not much to declutter here. I really just wanted to pull everything out, reorganize, vacuum, and then, you know, put away these few things that just didn't belong in there. Now I want to work on my husband's side, but I want to be so very clear that I do not declutter my husband's stuff. He's super familiar with my method at this point, so I'm going to pull it all out on the bed. He's going to look at his own items, and while I vacuum out the drawers, he's going to declutter. And he actually got rid of a lot this time. I was super pleased. It was very challenging for him to declutter in the beginning, but I let him choose it himself. I really did not force it on him at any point in time, and I think that is just a key ingredient to success if you are cohabitating with a lot of people. So in all transparency, I did already make an order for the shirts I was planning to get rid of. So I am adding a few more things back into my drawer. Condense the video just a little bit, I went ahead and decluttered in all of my kids' closets really quickly, so I am going to bag this up to go. Lost in a room where my shadow drowns. So glad I found you there in the crowd. All I wanted was I'm going to donate all of this and toss all of this. All right, it is day 2, and I wanted to show you all the stuff I added and a quick overview of the spaces I decluttered. So a lot of this stuff is coming from my linen and laundry room, and I will show you how those spaces turned out in just a second. Here is my linen closet in my bathroom. So I have medicines and like backups of toothpaste and things like that up top. I've got like some wedding pictures I still haven't hung up. This is just some extra office stuff because I don't really have an ideal office. I just am savvy about space. And this is a big ream of paper down here. And then just a couple things, first aid stuff. Here is the laundry room, and I didn't actually eliminate a ton out of here, but I did take everything out, put it in new bins, cleaned out all the bins, and put them back up. It is not an easy room to film in, but here is how it turned out. This is our homeschool area where we store all our supplies, and it functions really well. I really like this space, but I really need my kitchen back. So we are going to pull all of this stuff out of the cabinet and starkly declutter it and reorganize it a little bit. Someone else, honey, honey. All right, now I need to make a space on that other plant shelf for more homeschool items, so I am going to do that next. I have a mixture of items here. Some of them I am storing for future use. Some of them I am moving to the current homeschool shelf over there, and some of them I am decluttering. So I am vacuuming out these cabinets, and then I have a few items to move and rehome, and then a little bit to declutter here. After that, I'm gonna start organizing the kitchen stuff into this space. We are now starting on day 3 of this declutter marathon video, and something I really wanted to tackle this round was my pantry. I mean, it's terrible. It's there. You see it. That's what it is. It's just been like that since I moved in. I've done very little with it, but I felt inspired, so I am taking some measurements and I am ordering some things on Amazon, and I'm going to try and get that done over the course of this video. Now, popping to the other side of the kitchen, this lower cabinet is the only thing I didn't finish decluttering yesterday, so I am going to go through this cabinet and this drawer and declutter about 90% of this, with the goal again of kind of returning this to a kitchen space. So most of this I am decluttering. Things that we still use, I'm gonna move over to the current use year homeschool shelf over here. And then I am gonna store some things away for future use as well. All of this is gonna go. I'm gonna go add it to my pile. This is the last drawer I need to go through in this whole stack, and I'm gonna move this to the other side of my kitchen. Now, it might seem counterintuitive to put it here, but go with me on this. My fridge and my pantry are right there. I'm constantly getting into those spaces to inventory, make grocery lists, make meal plans. My calendar is right there on the wall. I'm constantly right there looking at dates and scheduling things. And then I have a cork board over here that I'm constantly putting to-dos on for the kids. So I feel like that's gonna be a really good space, and I'm hoping by putting the knives over here that it will turn this into the prep working counter and kind of expand my kitchen space. I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up. Now that I am done with that area, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the pantry. Luckily, my rice dispenser already arrived. I ordered it this morning, and here it is, so that's awesome. So we're gonna start here and get this pantry organized. As always, we're gonna pull everything out and then we're gonna put everything back in.
Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, down wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes.
This is my new steam mop and I love it. I had like a entry-level Shark steam mop for years and my only issue with it was that the cord was not long enough. I was constantly having to like unplug it and go move it to another outlet. So I love this one. It has a slightly longer cord. I love that it comes out as like a hand steamer as well. And yeah, it's really great. I'll link it below. Now I am putting down a really dense cardboard and the same plastic liner that I use in my cabinets and on my other wire shelves. It's just a really easy, affordable way to make those wire shelves a little bit more user-friendly.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back.
Now is day 4, I think. I'm gonna have to go back and count my outfits, but my organizational stuff came, and so we are going to finish out this pantry.
Up with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you wanna with me, hey, I don't wanna go back. I know you want the best for me. Your intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you, oh, but I can't get
Cereal, breakfast, snacks, drink mixes and kind of vitamin stuff, sides, seasonings, condiments, baking items, dessert stuff, dried fruit, hemp seed hearts, stuff like that. This is a giant bin of ramen noodles. Here are the last containers I was waiting on, so I'm going to decant a few more things and we are just about done with this space. pantry was the last big space I wanted to tackle, and I feel so good about how it turned out. Really, like, the whole heart of my home feels much improved between the kitchen and the pantry, the laundry room, and everyone's clothes. Like, that is really like the lifeblood of all of our stuff, right? Weird way to say that, perhaps. In addition to all of this stuff I decluttered, I also got rid of our tiny kitchen, our wooden block set that I've had for years, and our train set. So yeah, a lot improved this video. So I hope I motivated you to get in your space and get your space together so you can enjoy your fall season as well. Without further ado, thank you so much for watching. Happy October, and I will catch you next time.